Kingfish. Great job here. Freaking hell. What? That's phenomenal. Big shark?
Big shark. I just heard punk gone.
Oh. King! Kingy! Yeah! Yeah! Oh my god.
What?
Look how wide he is. Shit.
Straight ahead of you.
Big one?
Yeah, there you go. Whale.
Oh, wicked. We're doing it, boys.
Here we go.
So, first challenge of the day. We need live bait. Put it this way, boys. First one to catch a live bait can have the first beer tonight. On that note, so no, it'll snag. Jeez, you're dramatic, man. Far out. Right on cue. Jake's claimed the first beer. That's what.
Doesn't even drink the beer.
Oh, you don't drink?
Oh, I do occasionally. Jake's on a bit of a fitness.
Yeah.
Doing very well.
Hence the hummus and bloody lettuce we brought. We'll just keep moving, yeah? What is it?
Tonic.
Yeah, nice, dude.
Monster tonic.
You want the gaff?
Yo.
No, all right. Yep. Man, bit of movement, eh?
Runs full like that.
Beauty. We are cooking now.
Oh, I can't, mate.
I got you. I got you.
This one's gonna
Swing it around. Swing it around. Oh, oh, it's a hot bite now. And good salmon trout too, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Oh, that's a good one. Oh, double. Double's that time. Sorry about that.
Tell you what, slow start, but now it's freaking firing. Fucking giant. Good job, man.
Yes, done. What's that? No drag policy? No drag policy. Oh, it's real. That's a gaff, boy. Got a shark.
Oh.
That massive bronzy just
Oh. What was it? Sambo. Holy crap.
Holy man.
That's a big fish. That would have been a big shark to bite something that big. Freaking hell.
What?
That's phenomenal. Big shark?
Big shark. I just heard punk gone.
Oh. They're good size, eh, man? Any other day, it's like, that's good fun, whereas when it's a byproduct.
Big grunter. Well, that would have been a PB.
Oh, no. Bloody shark again. Hey, you got a sambo at least, mate?
A little one.
Point 3 of a sambo. Poor bugger's still alive. Sorry, bud.
Straight ahead of you.
Big one?
Yeah, there you go. Whale.
Oh, wicked.
At the anchorage.
Just, yeah. He can jump, just not here. Oh, that's wicked. That is awesome. Cheers, boys.
It could be a lot worse.
Here's to Hotel Greenlee.
Hotel Greenlee. It'll work for sure, man.
What the girth, man? Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's huge, man. Oh my god, where'd it go?
What the? That's the first time I've seen one up close like that.
Just like, yeah.
Oh my god.
Fucking angry, dude. Look at that. Boom. Oh.
Oh, did you not put it on a...
Oh my god.
What?
Look how wide he is. shit!
What?
What were you saying about going for a swim?
Oh yeah, nah, cancel that. No way I'm diving here. That is
I was
amazing.
washing my hands after cleaning fish, like not even 10 minutes ago.
A sight to be seen. Hey, like, how big is the girth of it?
That'd be 250 kilos, easy.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah.
it'd be like half a ton.
How's the livey gone?
Yeah, Livey's good.
Oh,
There's
he's
alright.
probably shitting himself.
Oh, it's still there.
Still going, still going. Oh, he's going for the trevally.
Look at that weight. Look at that amount of like water you just pushed out.
Smell the butter.
The chunky boys.
Yeah, beauty.
Oh my god.
We were literally just talking about it.
Yes, bro. Yes!
The king.
Oh my god.
Oh
Okay, Jakey.
Oh.
So he's still got him. Okay, he's not gone towards the back, which is good. Put the music on.
Literally midway through saying, you know what the best wake up call ever would be? If that reel started screaming.
No,
And I
you're
reckon
asking
there
how long would a kingy fight be?
Would a kingy fight be? And then nearly falling asleep in the chair. You know what the best thing ever would be? Being woken up
That is epic.
to those reels screaming. And welcome to paradise. Get him, Jakey.
Oh, you got the gaff ready?
Yeah.
Okay, awesome.
But I haven't ever gaffed a king, so
Maybe.
Oh, actually, yeah, I'll do that. He hold this, you hold this. Where's the gaff?
you got gaff there.
If you-
and there.
Nah, the net's crap, dude. I don't trust it. If you get it alongside, keep it tight. Keep the line tight on him, and I'll get it on his mouth.
Whoa. Okay.
Oh,
Me.
You good?
That's good.
That's what we want to hear. Big boy.
Look at the buddy.
Yeah, big tail beats.
we were literally half asleep, man.
I was nearly.
Everyone's sitting down, not talking.
We were all just.
Okay, let's land this baby first.
Yeah.
Little eel.
Where's the colour?
Oh, I can see colour.
Can you?
Yeah, just.
Oh, bro.
King! Kingy! Okay.
Good.
Oh, that is good. Good, bro. Hang on.
Yeah.
Hang on. Don't let go. Okay, got him. Got him. Okay. Okay, watch out.
In. Get the next one out there, bro.
Oh my god.
Yeah, measure, tag.
Yeah, tag. You got tags?
Yeah, I got tags.
Okay, awesome.
24 kilos of muscle, man. Far out, man.
Gonna just hop. It's a $1.20 or $1.30 to the fork. $1.42.
Yeah. That's 142. 142.
Oh yeah. Baby! Come on.
Big
Sorry, bro.
holds.
Sorry, bro.
Big holds. For the gram.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is still filming.
Keep going, bro. Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
Oh my god.
Oh, where's the dude? What just happened? Why are we talking about it?
We were
Literally.
falling asleep for the last 15 minutes. Okay, let's go. Get another one out.
another
Let's
line.
go.
Well,
See you later, Greenlee Anchorage. See you next stop.
Good morning from Greenlee Hotel. We are about to just punch out. Spent the night over here. Anchored up with a couple of other boats. Oh, by the way, we caught a big kingy last night.
Big king.
What's the measurement, mate? You remember?
And Jake got lucky.
146 or something?
Yeah.
Jake got lucky on the
22, 23 kilos.
23, yeah.
Heading out to Rocky. Let's go, let's do it. Freaking hell. But nothing on the jig or the live bait. Yeah, I reckon it's a small sambar or something, man. Or a foul hook, Nanny.
I'd love a good line.
Through that patch, like this should technically be what they were.
Yeah, true.
Oh, why is it so light?
Right now.
Oh,
Beautiful, Molly.
straight in. Nice. Nice.
Yes!
Great job here. Good work, man. Good fish. Very good fish.